So first, crushing and grinding of ore. So students, crushing and grinding of ore is done as follows. The ore usually occur in nature in the form of big lumps. These lumps are broken into small pieces with the help of the crusher or a grinder. This process is known as crushing of ore. So first, the ore, lumps of ore is put into the grinder, which grinds into the small pieces, and this piece is then sent to the ball mill or a stamp mill, which converts the small pieces of ores into the fine powder that stays. That process is known as pulverization. So first is the crushing of ore, that means lumps of ore is broken into the small pieces, that is crushing of ore, and then we have pulverization, conversion of small pieces of ore into fine powder, that is known as pulverization. So that is why I have written pulverization of ore. So the lumps of ore first grinded or crushed in a crusher, and then small pieces of ore are converted into the fine powder, which process is known as pulverization. So after the pulverization, what we do, we get the fine powdered ore, and from the fine powdered ore is subjected to the concentration. Concentration is what? It is the process of removal of impurities from the ore particles. So we will learn the concentration one by one. Third step of the metallurgical operation is the reduction of concentrated ore. Ore may contain sulfide, ore may contain oxide, silicates, phosphates, etc. as an impurities. They are supposed to be removed from the ore, and that process is known as concentration of ore. And there are four methods by which concentration of ore is done. First one is the hydraulic washing or gravity separation. Second one is the electromagnetic separation, that is only for those ore which are attracted, in which either the impurity or the ore is attracted by magnet. Such ores are separated by electromagnetic separation. Third, and very important from both point of view, is the fourth flotation method. And the last one, which is also very important, and this year board examination, one question was there from, that is concentration of ore, and that is from leaching of ore. So in concentration, four methods are given in the book, out of which fourth flotation method and leaching of ore are very important. Once the ore is concentrated, then it is subjected to be removed from sulfide impurities, oxide impurities, all these. That process is known as reduction of ore. So converting extraction of, that is concentration of ore, extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ore. That means removal of the oxide or sulfide, if any, present in the ore to get the crude metal. That is known as reduction of ore. And the final stage of the metallurgical operation is the refining of crude metal to get the pure metal. That is also known as purification of ore. So first of all, we will learn about the concentration of ore.